In this lesson, I'm going to teach you how to use the abstract class and abstract method. In the last tutorial, we have learned how to create a class and how to inherit the class from another class. So if you remember, we had a class employee and we inherited another class called full-time employee from the employee. Now, I want to make the employee class as abstract class. What is an abstract class? An abstract class is a class which does not have a object. Means you cannot create or initiate an object of an abstract class. How do you make an abstract class? So go to the class. Before the class, you add the keyword abstract. So once you add the keyword abstract, this means you will not be able to create an object for employee. So what I mean, in your form, let's create a button to test, and if I try to create a employee object, this will give me a error. So if you see, it gives the error cannot create an instance of the abstract class or interface. So you cannot create a object of an abstract class. Then we can inherit the abstract class with other class. So in full-time employee, I'm inheriting the employee. So all our protected and public members of the employee class will be in the full-time employee. An abstract class can also has a abstract methods. What is an abstract method? For example, when we do the salary calculation, we made it as a virtual method and we have override this method in our full-time employee and also in the part-time employee. We are not going to implement the calculate salary method in our base class. Instead, we will implement it in our child class. We will remove the method body and we will replace the keyword virtual with abstract to make the method as a abstract method. So once you give a method as an abstract method, so this is an abstract method. Once you create a method as an abstract method, this means you will not implement the method in the base class, but you will override this method in your derived class and implement the abstract method. The calculate salary you can implement in the full-time employee and part-time employee, and don't forget to add the keyword override. So this means it's overriding the method calculate salary which is in the base class. So to create a abstract class, you need to add a keyword abstract before the class. An abstract class cannot have a object, or you cannot create an object of an abstract class. An abstract class can have a data field, it can have the constructor, it can have a non-abstract method, and also it can have a abstract method. An abstract method is only the declaration, but the implementation will be done in the derived class.